Hello everyone, my name is Dupont. I make records for a living and I also spend quite a bit of time helping people make better sounding music. Today, I would like to share the story behind the campus at Puremix, which is our new and innovative online learning platform made for music creators and audio engineers just like you. For over a decade, Puremix.com has produced hundreds of world-class tutorials, helping tens of thousands of music makers get better at everything from miking to mixing. Over the years, we recognize that while these tutorials are invaluable, many of you sought a more structured learning environment offering step-by-step guidance, knowledge testing, and, most importantly, practical applications. This led to the creation of the campus at Puremix. The campus's mission is to provide an educational experience that goes beyond passive learning, immersing you in the music production process through a blend of watching, reading, listening, practicing, and discussing. So, Matt, you ask, what is the practical difference between Puremix tutorials and campus? You can think of it this way. To every great school, there's a great library. Puremix Pro has been your library, full of amazing resources you can browse anytime. Now, campus is the school we built to go with it. And by school, I mean a step-by-step guided learning experience with the proper resources and support to help you truly master the skills you want to master. Each campus course is on demand, self-paced, and hands-on, designed to fit your life and help you develop real skills. One important note for all you Puremixers out there, Campus is a brand new platform with a new account name, new password, and everything. It is a completely separate platform, built from the ground up to give you the best learning experience possible. It is not a replacement for Puremix, it is a complement to Puremix. Let's talk about why we built Campus. If you've ever felt like you're watching a ton of tutorials, including some of mine maybe, but you're not making real progress, or even worse, you're not sure whether you're making progress or not, or maybe you don't know what to learn next to stop feeling stuck guessing your way through mixes, then Campus is for you. We built it to solve these very problems by creating a very structured learning path, real-world exercises, and adding a teaching assistant to help answer your questions as you go. Let me break down what's inside a campus course so you get a more concrete idea. First, high-quality video lessons by real-world record makers just like Puremix, but even more in-depth. Because Campus is based on micro-learning techniques, we can really get to the bottom of things and be as specific and niche as we need to be to make sure you truly grasp the concepts at hand. Second, written guides and reference material to reinforce key concepts you will learn through the videos. We have found that the combo of watching and reading is a way stronger learning path than either or separately. Third, downloadable multi-tracks and audio examples so you can practice in your DAW. Everything seems easy in theory, but practical training is where you get to overcome the actual challenges and really print the information to integrate it as part of your future bag of tricks. Fourth, knowledge checks, quizzes, exams, and real-world exercises to verify what you learn. These are the only way to make absolutely sure you truly understand the lesson. Fifth, the teaching assistant is available for every course to guide you and help answer questions along the way. No more foggy "how do I do this" or "did I do this right" moments. That's what a TA is for. 6. A discussion forum inside each course so you can ask questions and connect with fellow students. No more lonely struggle. On campus, you have peers to exchange and grow with, just like in a brick-and-mortar university. Campus also offers certificates of completion and badges to showcase your progress, and soon, an app so you can learn anywhere, anytime. Less doom scrolling, more learning. In short, the campus course is not just a course, it's an interactive, hands-on learning experience designed for music makers to grow quickly. As of the shooting of this video, the first course available is called How to Listen by Moi. It is an ear training course specifically designed with music production and mixing in mind. Listening is, in my opinion, the most important skill of them all. There is no value in knowing how a compressor works, for example, if you can't hone in on the minute differences tweaking those controls can make. The first step to getting control of how your music sounds is to develop your ears. Train your ability to recognize EQ, compression, reverb, depth, balances, and more. And that is what this course was designed for. That's the first course on campus. But we're just getting started. Coming soon, we have a new course series covering the fundamentals of the audio industry, the physics of sound, signal processing, microphones, and more with my good friend Andrew Sheps. And then we have an extremely in-depth study of the Michael Brauer Brauerized mixing method, hosted by Michael himself. That's a more advanced course for people who already know how to mix a little bit because it's pretty advanced. And then we'll have 7 more courses with me on the modular skills needed to mix great sounding tracks. Lastly, if you're looking to go deeper, we'll shortly be introducing certification programs in key areas like recording, mixing, mastering, music production, so you can build real credibility as an engineer. If you're ready to take control of your future in music production, join us at Campus at Puremix and embark on a learning journey designed to elevate your skills and ignite your creativity. See you on campus.